Since when do you give a shit about Mariah?
Since she became my baby's grandmother.
Drama.
You did it.
Hello,
world.
We'll throw in the middle of one of her stories.
That little sneeze be killing me.
Hello,
world. Say hey.
I'm just saying.
Hey.
I would want to tell her, just like I want to
I
tell
just
her
messed up my diaper. And I peed on the couch. And I peed on Daddy.
Okay?
And I peed on the couch again. And
And I wouldn't tell her that she was
hey.
smart. I didn't feel that I could.
Now I'm bobbing.
Knowing each other
No
for
bobbing for
so many
boobies.
years, it just seemed inappropriate.
Now you're
and
chewing your hand. Oh,
tell her.
the camera's this way. Hey.
So that
The
this
camera's
movement
this
that
way.
she was moving seems to be going around.
Hello.
People tell each other, you know, what they want.
Not much for the camera.
Don't you think?
Yeah. We're pregnant.
Hey. Okay, you wanna